I'm gonna show you guys like how to get this super natural like everyday look. This is my everyday makeup look. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Moni, and today's video I'm gonna be doing a natural everyday makeup look. This is my everyday go-to for right now makeup looks. So let's get into the video. First, I start off with my brows. I use Anastasia brow gel. My eyebrows is like really messed up right now, so I'm in the process of like trying to get them to grow back. My brush that I use for my eyebrows, and I can't find it. We are moving, like that's why like everything is like bare in the background. So I am taking Toffee to highlight my eyebrow. Use this to like clean up my brows, and I have so many of these too, and they always disappear. It's like certain things when you buy, when it comes to makeup, like it just always find a way to disappear. I don't know what it is. Like for me, it's beauty blenders, makeup brushes. I'm just using this little brush that I got from a sample. I'm just gonna try to like fill these brows in a little bit because it's like really like a lot of space right there. Back in with my little spoolie, I just try to make these things look a little natural because look at a little crazy. I'm taking a beauty blender that came from the Sephora beauty blender set. It's like 3 in the box, and just blend this out. What you want to do is when you blend it on your brows, how I like to blend out my brows. Whew. So you just want to just pat it like, you know, lightly and gently around the brow. I do not color correct my eyelids like for like a daily look. I just leave it basically natural like how it is. So brows is done, and so what I like to do is get into the color correct. I do not get into my eyeshadow. My eyeshadow is my last step for like every day. You will see a very different process in my makeup video. I just color correct those areas that's like a little dark, not too much. I like to keep it natural, and go over here, and I'll also color correct right here a little bit because like it's a little like darkness like around here. I like my eyes to look bright when I'm at work. It shows that I got rest the day before and I'm ready to come in, you know, for work. So I like my eyes to look a little bright. My channel is gonna be like a beginner friendly channel for people that want to learn makeup but find it like, you know, kind of overwhelming. Like not every video is like gonna go into details, but most of them like you would know, because I would say like how to do this or how to do that. Like I'm not a makeup artist, but I do like my makeup for friends and stuff like that. But I did want to go to school for makeup. I wanted to go to school for cosmetology, but it was just a little bit too expensive at the time. Like I just took the college route and just, you know, got my degree. But I really wanted to go to college. I really wanted to go to cosmetology school. I'm taking the Milani Retouch base concealer, and I'm just dabbing this around the spots where I put the color correct. I also like to take the color correct and put it on spots that's like really dark, like old blemishes and stuff like that, because not all the time the concealer gets rid of those marks. Even when you put, sometimes when you put concealer and when you put foundation on, it still sometimes doesn't get rid of those marks. The God in me, it's the God in me. Alright, so we're gonna take this before I get sued. Alright, so I'm just taking a little bit and just dabbing this under the eye just to give it, you know, just to be able to conceal it a little bit better. I have this brush from Sephora, this little silver brush. I really like this brush. Sometimes I don't always use a beauty blender to blend out my makeup. Sometimes I feel like the beauty blender takes it away sometimes. So sometimes I use a brush and just pat it lightly around. Wondering like what I'm saying too, like I have like music playing in the background from the morning. Like my hubby, like he most of the time, like on Sundays, he listens to like gospel music before he goes out to work. He gets that from me, but don't tell nobody. Like, I am taking the Nars foundation, and you don't need too much of this, especially for a natural look. You don't need that much. There's a couple of dots. Movement is like so annoying. Like in my Kim Kardashian voice, like moving is like so annoying. No, but for real, like movement is like a lot of work. You want to make sure you put the foundation in your hairline a little bit. I like this Nars foundation because it gives a very good coverage. You know, you don't have to do much. I don't contour on an everyday basis, and I don't use powder. Like, I'm trying to get better with that. Majority of the time when I do like my everyday look, I use this e.l.f. palette. I alternate between basically all these colors. Like, all these colors is for like dark skin. And this brush is from Juvia's. It is the tapered brush, the J123 brush. You want to apply your blush based on your facial shape. So if your face is oval, you kind of want to take the blush away. You don't want to like have it coming in. You just take it away and just put it like right here, and then on the temple a little bit. I'm taking my e.l.f. brush. This is the highlighting brush from e.l.f. And I just like to pat it on first. Pat it on. And I love this highlighter because it's super natural. Like, it gives you that glowy, healthy skin. Also, the Nars does it as well. Like, I like to use this NYX. I have another one from NYX. It's like more of a pinkish. This is more of a gold. I really wish I had like the pinkish one, but right now I don't really know where it's at. So this one is like more of a gold color, and yes, I do wear this depending on my outfit. If you want, you could choose to use like a lip liner. So my eye look, I am using this Latte eyeshadow palette from Bare Minerals. I just got this palette. Palettes need to invent something where you can just push a button and it opens. Like, come on. I'm getting old, y'all. I'm getting old. Can't open these things. So it comes with these gorgeous colors. Like, these colors are super gorgeous. I'm going to make another video reviewing this palette. And the gold in this palette is just so yummy. But you're going to have to stay tuned for that other video, because in this video I'm not using the gold. I'll swatch it for you guys, but I'm not even doing swatches of this palette right now. So you're going to have to stay tuned for that other video where I do a review for this palette. I'm going to swatch this gold for you. This gold is like super nice. Oh my god, you see that gold? Don't worry guys, it's coming soon. I had to take a hiatus because like, I got sick. I have a condition called uveitis. White blood cells attack the iris because they feel like something's going on. It's not the same as pink eye. It's not contagious or nothing like that. It's actually hereditary. Mostly you're gonna see like eye looks and stuff like that, because I love, you know, eyeshadows. That's my favorite thing. Next thing is lip gloss. Like, I'm really happy like lip gloss is coming back because I really love lip gloss. So what it is, like I told you again, like, this is a beginner friendly makeup channel. So this is Spectrum B06, and this is like a fluffy blender brush, and this is for your transition. Transition is basically here, and we're gonna go into that right now. So I'm taking this color right here for my transition. It's called Solstice, and I'm just patting it very lightly on the brush. Tap off the excess and just sweep that around, you know, up here, like I like to sweep transition shades like all the way like under my eyebrow. Like I love doing that. It also helps in making the eyebrow look extra nice and neat. Okay, so bam, this brush is like kind of basically done, but we're gonna hold on to it. Next, you need this brush from City Colors Cosmetics CCE01, and you need a pointer blender brush. The crease is like right here. Just go in the crease with that color. I so miss putting on eyeshadow because like when I get sick I can't wear eyeshadow. Like I don't put anything on my eyes because I just want to make sure it just doesn't get worse, so I can't put anything on my eyes. What you can do is just go back in with this blender brush and just sweep it around like this just to blend out that color you put in the crease, just to give it a nice blended look. We are done with those two brushes, and I'm taking a flat brush like this. This is my City Colors EEC04, and I'm taking, let's see, I'm like swatching these colors on my hand and it's not showing up like the color in the palette, so I'm just trying to figure out what color I want to do because I normally don't do like crazy colors for an everyday. So I'm just gonna go with this one. This one is called Feels, this color right here. I'm just gonna tap that lightly and just tap that on my lid. Go back in with this blender brush, this pointy blender brush by City Colors Cosmetics, and just go like kind of like blend where this color meets the other color that I'll put in the crease and just blend that out like so. So I use any old mascara. I like to use black mascara because most of the time like I don't use eyeliner, so I like to use black mascara. Like really makes the eyelashes pop. I just did my edges. This is my edge gel that I use. It's called Ebony. I love this gel. I will put it in the description below. It just snatches my edges. But basically this is the final look. Very natural, glowy summer look. There's gonna be more looks to come. And now my battery is dying, you know, added to the list of the problems that I had during filming this video. But anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and thank you for watching. Bye. Most of the time like every day, my carrying bag always changes, and it just has like most of the things that I use every day. Oh my god, something leaked in my bag. And this packaging, ooh, oh my god, this is bad. Packaging, ooh, packaging, I don't know, like, oh my god, this is bad. Well, anyway, in this packaging, alright, so my eyebrows is done. I do not put the concealer like on my my eyelids. I don't